every day.
Il y a deux affaires, on a fait un mien neré nefo. Il y a already qui n'y est already au toit. Il y a ouais. Il faut qu'il en ait bien. Hello, my daughter. Eh, o do ya wo. Ìyẹn yé. Ẹ̀jẹ̀ àyà máa. Okay, where in there? Opimare ne ya. Iya ko opimare. Man wa viole le gbe mate ya ri oge wi me. Oge ge na no re ebrime. Ma ya ko ni wa we se ma na ne. This Saturday, my yeah. Where you are? Oh, we may not say the card they're going la, or ya in your way lao. Imotopa, my affair while I'm motopa mao lao. What's it? What's it?
The other bag, when he asked
Okay. Oye munea. So I made right no yard of your way down. Tama we social media president we made right no yard of your way. Since Mune was the Nugana Kia, or someone way no Ruben, and I am a cooking yaw. Boy, when looking at it. But she was a bonnet. Come out, you know, buy me go to Bomatier. Was there a mamma meaning me over when you get care money? Come out, money, I'll be broke with that be jail money. Eh, you met your bonao. Only body no home with me no more when I get here. Or then I care you. And I am cooking your one with me down your. I will order where the Jiganoma. Or I go on even down one Aki, Agay. All right, you send you a card in the mouth. Why I fell in the you? I will see. Yɛ de no zɔmɔ oyimɛ ɔmɔnɔmɔ no salobo agi agbɔ no kpiwa no suwa no rienie wota agbɔ na ya fɛ no de maruwa iga adi sigbu na no de ya sun Amazon isunwu na ne It's a winner, so now it's already when I want but no dynamics. And I hear where so they know attire only block you, man. They know attire, it met you, women. I be one baby to tell where woman a particular man, a video where yet you go. It's when any time already come here, Ladian. Ma iye Facebook ya ya di moto iye Facebook ya di keke iye Facebook ya bo wa ma iye Facebook ma gba mi pa no ma ya we di go out e boyo o nu ya o no ma so la wo mu no ni ajina do wo ni gbon so we me no ma wa gbon no pe jita ara hon o asigun ara hon o tagbon na ya fe owe gay na wo dey so wa me ni ma we do ba we gun ni ma we di abase no wa ekeke nu wa dando na gwezo wa mfua ariana pa no ezo awa take ka ezo no pa gwezo wala ho wa we aja le ku nu to salobo ado wa mo jo salobo ayi ami mi pa ami no so salobo o tagbon na ya ka bo pon wa ya fe no we live video wa mwezo fo tu wa ya fe tu wa rama ma ezo me kino siwari ma be erita to show otewe na fadopa owo ye ma oni agwo on pa gwezo owo nda yen agwezo yen yi to wa ni awo gbagwezo ori mi ave do gwezo ave do sik ave mi gbebiku ave we call no pa we call o yen gwa gwezo video yen agwezo ariana mari ave do so wa ya fe wa mwezo yuto ave kira si le gberi won panu wa ori ma ya fe na ga mo fi face mo fi uji ni wa ori pe ni wa ori ku ni wa ma dan ni wa ya fe presenter ni wa azenya
bring it.
ni wa ya fe agugun wa agbegun ave de na me akoko we yes wa gelegbe ni mederi awu wa we no dan ati ebo na wa deboni ati adeboti ebo na wa oni we akase no wa no wa rebe wa de boni akase ni wa ita o kan anu na wo mama everybody have a spirit, everybody have a talent, everybody we in a stacket wa you de na ama or to say no sema wana woni total we dokpa ni to say ni say we afa wa so aviene veni ye strong go na ye strong go to ka we ye mane ye fene de to mane o fene ye pan ware ma wo to do asin wa kiri wa ye wa ga gwa ni hia but ona ipan wa na ibu wa de ona do ye gbe wu wa ona do ka mu wa we ibi e do watin mu no ma iye wo watin mu wa ma to do tie bo inwa o we na te we o yi ya do o yi o na te we ma odokun dafe ma be wa ya gugu ani o na te ma te ta we yi o ga make o ga lese lawa o ga lodukun lawa bo to salo ba na do ya na do gboro ne otamu wa ya fe nu dugwa mano susenoro mano vienoro gugwa wa ya fe wa la na yo botemu se na kiye na mudia ne se Europe no eje na wa mezo wa hia pa ami bata ami egogo amigo sister me doriye gbe ari yo account agwa no mi ya ni yesu wa we yes e we bo ni eje o tegbe okin e ka we one naira we yi one naira wa de ge e mi me o igo amigo no tunu ko ya fe wi edo me wa la ho wo o sa lo bo la ho no ti mamu no ma ni ma be jere we yes emi wa gbona o we ese me aka me be abi so sa lo bo no la o no ri o ma me no ri ni ma ya fe tu wa to do yin pe to do yin ko we ye gwale mi ro pa obuwa ma bere ti ye gwale mi ro pa obuwa but one of the we yes is a lovely one of Ghana omani do live video do live video so any yahin if you do no some or we go back one ma we gba tuta wa e ma no le leri la tuya
Iwe dun kame itu aya fefe ma yi won gbare wa na that's my godmother aka Lady of Song wato maru we ramege social media president wato wa wese gbe iye me wa ya support us and nobody but wa e ma ire Napoli wala wa mo gbe ko e
Napoli na
24th wa mo gbo because can ati result me Charlie o kan win wato adomodomo
bege enia awe in Napoli me mate enia me ga we Charlie the but me kin on wo now you just pay
24th
but why not consider after that okay that's good that a problem here if you have to ya yema when me ka say na we have Napoli people we are me are o me ka ikari Napoli ne but ya we no dona ya afia gogo ni make sure ni are in Napoli ni make sure we are in Napoli if Italy have kin why say Napoli wa gma ya me gbe ba ya do bi oru ye gbe ya gbe ma wa ma Star Majesty mo he ya second Star Majesty social media president Star Majesty ya do gele gido gbe ma wa so up Italian brothers and sisters wa ge Napoli mwere me reba me to me ya reba okay mune my great daughter oya me zira kotokpa ma mi gbe wo wa Otai said your way is my daddy. Me.
Hello, my people. How that day? If you had to be somebody, you had to be the Yagaga, you had to be the Yayo, and to be the Lebinu.
Mama, what call you?
Edonire, Germany. Yes, I am here live with my daddy, yo. The social media president, Prince Eddie Idahosa. Yes, as you all know, and with his beautiful wife, Mrs. Isoka Idahosa, the first lady, the beautiful lady, Okonomo Sefu. Itu waya fefefe, wa baby negekai. I am so super excited. I'm here with him, and the love. But I love it. Why you boy? Crowd puller. You're unshakable shaker. Yeah, like how better Mayala move. But I'm be, you know, he's loved by the people. Yes, so I can't forget me and us on social media and all that. He's a very nice man to the core, kind-hearted man. Manami 101. Don't just conclude because social media life is not 100% real life. You understand? Social media life, it's not even 40% real life. You know, we must bring out things that will make people look at us in a different form. But why me want a real life? Then you cannot testify to other people where giving a GF or giving a village. We are me, my baby.
Second wife.
So, why me man in real life who do understand the work again no manage working we had time my way giving no je. Even so near we or what tell you why get the boy what me what why it twin. Or to even tell you all what's also area of a genius character. We arguments over the live video. You'll be seeing different things, but what me will talk, you'll be seeing different things. That is why you must not judge people, you know, by what you are saying on social media.
Yes.
Me, I can categorically say that this man here is a very nice man. When I say nice, somebody that have a pure heart. You understand? So why I was saying do we know about why even why are here? Rat again do ya go go. So I'm doesn't know why have no where you were. So many positive things happened on that day, and I was so happy about it when I saw the love, the way the Maya embraced me. I was so happy, and that is how it's supposed to be. That is how it should be, because. Because we're on one area where we say, what I gonna make again. It made me one moment they were walking away at more where I pay homage get because you will say on one area myself and I'm magby. I have more money as your way. And I so much appreciate every one of you that have been supporting me since the beginning of this show. Why have fair one say money marriage ya make sure you get it and wala owo wa egui da erere na omuye no bun kakabo erere na muye no bun o say any managi jere and the man get see me no they have been receiving so many calls for ya we say it's because you guys care. But I can assure you all that everything is in order by the special grace of God. Everything is in order. I know that the peace that we all are striving for will come one day. If you need peace, you get peace. If you need war, you get war. It's what you need that you get. And you don't know okay, I'm here, but because I love peace and I want peace, that peace I shall get in all ways. So let us all embrace peace. Let us all embrace love. Mena get away because we are on mena get away ni lele we ni ya we gian we ni lewe na ni o ma to
Agwa.
ina geleje we na ya love me for no reason. Ina ya we ni ya gelewe o gian me na ni o ma to we ni re na mo pa we ni wasi ni mo pa le asan san re bi ku me ya be se ba ni ya be san ne bi a do mo ni o ma to ni o ma gugu ni o ma sin won me na. You understand? So but because I'm a preacher of
Guys, he's a musician.
love.
Musician don't have enemy. Musician don't have enemy. And then the musician don't have enemy. They don't have
Exactly. So because of that, man now cannot be appreciated the love. I believe in one thing. I believe in one thing in life. No matter if nobody you were. So as far as it's not a threat to life, it's not a threat to your life. It's not a threat to your life. No matter if no matter who. Hello, Yasuga. Hey, I'm coming. No matter if no matter who. The person not call for forgiveness. Why will you not forgive? Why? You are not God. I am not God. Nobody is God. Osalu Dazi. Noji Mawuwa. Owoni Mawule Orebi. Every day. Who you know the one inside your house? Who tell me name Magino one? Nobody know no there. We think like about to tell me away, but inside your house, what you are saying is different. We think like to come and let people think you are good to tell me away, but God is saying you. Why if you go you tell him salo, but you forgive you. You understand me? Not you forgive you. So why won't you forgive? So Oma no offend you. Ona will not that way. When nani get it that way. Ona will realize. Ona sincerely come back and say, oh, I am sorry for what I did. Why would you forgive? When they forgive, think about it. Woman and forgive, you will stress yourself. There's nothing you can do about it. You understand? You only just was in the area anywhere. You will not die over it. You understand? And unless I'm not go beyond what you are supposed to physically, when you go beyond the physical, you look with baby, you decrease with the man, you not go beyond that. Yeah, when you normal case with your man. When you do am near the percussion of it. Then in normal so all the bit. So when my informal survey on me, I think we still have space, enough time to seek for forgiveness, and you still have enough time to forgive those who offend you. You understand? Because they said there's no forgiveness, there's no repentance in the grave. So that is it. So my people, Europe, my tour, my Yefo, on the 19th, or in Madrid, on the 19th, which is on Sunday, this very Sunday no day now. This very Sunday no day now. Yes, or in 19th. So I will be in Madrid to perform for my Edo people. So please, my lovely people of Edo State, buy your ticket, get ready, let's enjoy ourselves, let's enjoy good music, you know. Edo we want to Meroyi, and I cannot say I am the only female musician in Edo State, but for now, secular female artists in Edo State is not much. They are coming up, and I pray that God should help us all to grow. Because everybody wants to do well in life. Nobody pray you mama go. Everybody want to do well in life. You understand? So why would I say you should not do well? If I'm saying you should not do well, then I don't want to do well. Everybody's praying to do well. So nobody give my yamu so even in my kere no. Abe artist eko ya berie ewe bodo asi one and all that. So ogi mani be do say eko no we nuga. When my be so are na. Sometimes not your bob and my one very silly mammy with go now. Negi wa home. It can one amigo never wa ye. So please, we are doing some allow the tickets. Then on the 24th of this month, which is after Madrid, the next weekend, 24th, or in Napoli. So allow go. Why we get close to Napoli? You can come, try as much as possible. Emegbe. Nimekere bonania.
Yeah, we said that they said that
Nimekere bonania. Yeah, I can boldly say. I can boldly say where Nikere bona. Imeigo me de la eri you know. Mommy is good. Okay, me are so well, mommy. So I imeigo me ya demi. Imeigo me ya imeigo me dame. Imeigo me de Lisa Ken ore eratigen. Ike pa eratigen me derio. Yo mwe ba ere. Kiye ke tieri ma na me mwe ba ere. O prepare we age stu no ko ni le. Lisa Ken we age stu no le. Egile emi owo he. Nínú ya ese. Anyo amen. You know
a police station at the quarter.
We came to Paris. The same thing. People are taking good care of me. Emma television. We are me ya vi me ya ri owa e be ni me gun ana. Look at this in me wo to. Me ni ya vi oye. Unless you wake up go. And this are still coming. Me rebania. Okay, pana. I'm bag of your ladame. Abi butter. Abi jeans of your ladame. Ni me bi owa. Like that. E can imagine ania. E mani e we me rogo e goson me na. E ya vi gift ire. Open me guana na mere mama ke me bogwa. A gift of emure. Obiana bana me receive na post ire. Oma post ni adio wage a gift, you know. That is the love we are talking about. That is the love. Agbona ya kian. Please, my good people of those states, I am begging you all. Let's embrace peace. Who are offended now everything you and your God, because I'm not told it's a Lagona. What's the matter now? All the time if you offend anybody and you know when you get one you offended, go and beg for forgiveness. On one man forgive. You know, go and beg for forgiveness. Because of a Bible, beg una walk on it, beg for forgiveness. Beg tell una woman name you woman walk. If I know someone doesn't have a fear cake, bomber. Someone no land a fear cake be maropa. So voila we go be a dono. But the boy in my yake, Maya. As far as Evan he quick quarry, ni quiqueta, and his one voila we go. Ere me yake ega ka. So voila we go. Wawe se kakabo. Where we mia Edo Festival and Awards. Also Tony on the 18th, I know. Meme Kube 19 the Madrid. Edo Festival na 18, which is on Saturday. Edo Festival is on Saturday. So wala wo go. When already London, why are they tickets? Why are the watch because why are ma wenia Edo Festival in Domano. Our culture and heritage. Mabe awe mi buy me enu. So wala wo go. Wa make momera ni ye be no ba le gbe wo yo mo bo. Make le kun make no so no ye ri go imo bo le. Oda ye be ri go me. Oye be do film me be zeri o. So wa go me appreciate wala wo go. Nobody is bad. Nobody is wicked. You understand? Wallah. Understanding, little understanding. Or see have any nada ya prefer small understanding. No. And by the time I'm not down egbe, ezoere, I down egbe, or see ezo. Or I down egbe, na reason where even no matter na me talk me that the reason me together. At the end of the day, I don't understand it. So I give my down egbe. I want to appreciate Inate Mia. Mommy B&B, my beautiful mommy B&B. Okonomo say, Uta said away, Mama way, and Oveni. Me ma can allow you when it over your head. Oveni Mama, when you only made over your head, my beautiful mommy. I will come and see you when I come back to London. I love you so much, Mommy B&B. God bless you. I love you so much for everything. So when you are here, Erika make sure any man make sure that I've been, doing good for me. I love you all. God bless you. Let me give it back to my handsome daddy. Almost segbe. Almost a Facebook. Well, no mind me, just pray to see him one day. It's too handsome. Almost segbe. It's a man that is stressed because my must say, but my cannot stress, you know. Handsome daddy. Handsome daddy.
Nobody can change this.
I love you so much. I love you. I love you. Obara talk, man.
Yes, my daughter.
Don't worry, by the grace of God. I saw some comments here. By the grace of God, we are going to do that. We're going to do that. I love you all. I love you all.
Yeah, do
Mommy.
Aduma wemegbe sayo na mi we yes matunje domo we webona please kai uje do e ma temo please
Yeah, deal with it.
Give me.
Praise.
You are not playing. You are trying to get. You are not playing.
So you had to know some. Aduma yo mi okpa ni ma ya fe ame okpa. Eri ma ti ma mu dia negbe wala owo. Iga we mi forgive me. Esa we me have we me but forgive me. My affair by me man the way presenter but forgive him man that way I am for man okpa ko ya ma make ma so gbede o saro bo na ja mi okpa ide to won we will not be happy omona no de ore ode to ogun ma ra pa mama gogo so wa ya fe wala o forgive it dan doge emiro ni ma ta megbe Emiro ni ma gbe ma so eri awe no dogun agwa anything we
eri ono
ya ya basmia
yes so I need you to yes I deal with a part social media one of Deutschland or one of everywhere because of one blog when I wait Deutschland about myself video who I also I be in a record more we want to DJ Stone boy Maro Wepa understand who I support Ian that is the lady of song who I support us Salobo Adebawa she's my godmother understand Salobo Adebawa we be in a record Maro Wepa we me mana Maro Gogo Omaizi who I tell you don't know why we domo.
So my affair my obu wa gwane my me okpa my hair itamuwa ije me dere my second wife wa Agnes that is my second darling. Agnes, you too much. I love you forever. I will always be with you. If we my marriage in Dubai marry ma mudia unweze mana we marriage ma o regiata second wife me die Agnes my second wife so no we no ya no so woto so while we am here child life video while we mirror reality ma Agnes why me o okpe no he am here we are say but we are sivie yekia the man sivie yekia weti me so no thank you all, may God bless you. If you do it, why after what we say, taking what they are, why marathon, why marathon, why marathon, why marathon. Give me your friend, why we are going to tell you, ah, why do we bomb your call? Why we jimuna, why we migo, why we business, why we migo. Walao, presenters, why going to me police in Nigeria, DSS in Nigeria, when you are switch out boss, iya ma woni biere yara beni asia ai wala wo awoni wa ma ya fe wa we program ba my wo yo we wa woni police DSS any police no get force no woni ase ya boss ai ibiere ma mi munare ni ya president ma bi go mi munare ni ya e governor ma bi munare ni ya as of a rep my assembly e ya nyama bi munare ni ya ibiere we wina yere wuna ye ya akpopu ya wala ho wa gmeka be Nigeria government when you say ya boss ahe when you say ya boss ahe Nigeria government wa say ya boss ahe go mari munania gwari go nia Where we no paniama do wagodi. Here Ragwa. Nigeria government policy. Here Ragwa. Eja bosi Ragwa. Igu waya dobio aike bono. Usaba we me understand. Wala wo. I love you all. May God bless you. Mama. Wow, how about here? Kill me where? Okay, I'm going to have to work ahead. So, you know, now we can make organic. We can make organic. Why we don't go there? Man. So I'm going to do a topic. Nigeria government leave the Yahoo boys alone. That is my topic now. I'm going to fight the police, fight Nigeria government for that. Because Yahoo boys, you don't give them money, you don't employ them. There's no business in Nigeria, or rather no good job in Nigeria. So if all these guys went to go and be stealing in supermarket, you will be cutting them and said, go to jail. Now they are not stealing anybody. They are still doing their own normal business. But all what you can do, the fake police, is to attack them in different hotels, attack them in different houses. The police should leave our Yahoo boys alone. They are not for your money. What about the Buhari children that is stealing our money, that is collecting our money every day? Buhari children that is taking our money, using our money to buy private jets, using our money to do all those things. I don't know Yahoo. I don't know Yahoo children. Why can't you go arrest them? All those big men children that use our money roughly, they are the highest Yahoo in the world. Get them arrested. Get them arrested and forget the poor people. Yahoo, I stand for you. Yahoo boys, stand with me, I stand for you. I will fight this battle and we will win in Jesus' name. Amen. Thank God. So bye-bye.